This is your Dell R260 server. On the front, we have our tag, service tag there, and some more information on the back. Okay, and it's very simple. You have your on-off button there, and you have your USB port there, which is where you can put your USB stick to install the software for the first time. I'm going to turn it around to the back. Also very, very simple. We have our VGA here and a USB here. This is how you'll connect to a KVM. We have an iDRAC here, so you'll need to connect an Ethernet cable in there. Then you've got your control interface and then your data interface. One power supply. Let's turn it around and get the lid off. Very simple to take the lid off. There's a locking mechanism on the top. I just move it to the unlock position, and with the two black tabs here, the lid just simply comes off. There will be a choice of option cards that you can install in the Dell server, and we're going to have a go at installing a Dektec 2174B card. To begin with, this plastic just simply pops out. And there's no particular screws or bolts. The riser here just simply pulls up. I'm going to be careful with that. There we go. I'm going to rest it over here. Your Dell R260 won't come with this card here. This will be another option slot so that you can install two PCI Express cards. This is my Dektec 2174B. I'm going to be pretty lazy and I'm going to leave the B and C cables plugged into it. And I'm going to try and install that in this slot here. So to get the best view, I think I probably need to, I wonder if I can turn that round there, because then you can see the port, right, the connector. I'm doing this at a funny angle. Just pushes in there. Even though the card is pushed in, there's this sort of nodule here, and you can see the card moves about a little bit. So I just push it in there like there with my fingers, and now you can see that's in there properly. Let's twist round. And as I said, there's no particular screws. It just pops back in, and you've actually just, simple as that, installed a Dektec card in there. And I'll just show this view here. There it is, quite simple to fit. Dektec card is in place and the riser's pushed in nicely. Let's get the plastic back on. It's a good fit. We've installed a Dektec 2174B into the option slot. You're ready to go.